Here we are, starting the coatewater journey by train. So, here we are. Hello, Mr. Dhruv. Hello, Mr. Dhruv. Hello, Mr. Dhruv. Yay! Hello. ध्रुव कैमरा दूं? नहीं मेरे पास आप उससे बनाना दूसरा बना रहा हूँ. Very nice. See the view. So we are going inside the tunnel now. Here. One, two, three. See the small track here? This is the track. That was the back side. You can see that's a tunnel which we have crossed just now. What an amazing trip. So this is one halt, Richard Jeffers halt. And let's meet my friends and family. Hello! Say hi! Did you hand in there? Very nice. See the jungle here? So the train is crossing from here. You see here? Yeah? This is how. So there is another tunnel. Get ready for it. Come on, guys. So this was the extension. Yeah. Oh my God. So very nice, very nice. What a memorizable trip. Oh my God. See? That's the another track. This is the extension. See the track. So, the train. So we are going in another tunnel now. Very small tunnel. See the jungle. The beauty of nature. Different types of trees. And mesmerizing cloud. And the sun is shining in between. If you see here, we are going inside the tunnel. That was the small tunnel, so we did. See the greenery, the love of God, Mother Nature. The train is slow now. Looks like there is a station. See, it's a yellow signal, and after that we have a red signal there. That's why the train is halted now.
Yes. Swindon
So see the whole jungle here. The view. रुक जाओ भाई.
अब ये फिर स्टार्ट होगी. आगे से कंट्रोलिंग कर रहे हैं।
राइट साइड पे जंगल।
मैंने देखा था जब आए थे ना।
राइट साइड पे जंगल देखो।
पर ये वही है जहाँ
कार
खड़ी थी है ना।
यूट्यूब पे डाल देना।
ओके
कमेंट्री भी है इसकी।
ओके
वाओ
वो सिग्नल
See the other train
और ये
that is going. That's why we are halted here. Yeah.
धुआं निकल रहा है वहाँ से।
Duha. So now the signal is green and we are going again.
ग्रीन सिग्नल हो गया
See the train. Green signal. So now we are changing the line now. See, this is how we change the line. We are in this line now. This is zebra.